The purpose of this lab is to determine the strength of those attractive forces between molecules. And we're going to do that by looking at the evaporation rates of different substances. So the attractive forces between different molecules is what we call the intermolecular forces. Intermolecular, and we're trying to see how strong they are by how fast they evaporate, meaning how they go from a liquid to a gas phase. That means it would break apart and go into a gas phase. So we're going to place water on the table, we're going to place isopropyl on the table, and we're going to look at acetone. And we're going to try to time to see how long it takes for those molecules to break apart, those intermolecular forces to break apart, and determine the strength of them. Who is the strongest? Who's got the strongest sticky forces? Who's got the weakest sticky forces? So let's do a quick overview of the different forces at play. And when we look at, all molecules have London dispersion or van der Waals forces, which means that for an instant, as the electrons move around, because electrons move, they will exhibit a temporary dipole moment, meaning for a split second, for a little bit, they will, as those electrons move over to one side of the molecule, they'll be a little bit more negative on one end, more positive on another end, and this is just for an instant. And so every molecule, as electrons move, exhibit an instantaneous dipole, which we call van der Waals or London dispersion forces, and those instantaneous dipoles help these molecules stick together. Now, they're very weak. A little bit stronger than that would be the actual molecules that can exhibit a dipole moment, meaning di means two, pole means these positive and negative poles. So molecules that have polarity, meaning a positive and a negative end of it, because electrons are not shared equally, will stick to these opposite ends of another molecule, so opposite charges will attract. And because they exhibit a partially positive and negative end, each molecule, they can stick to other molecules that have also a partial positive and negative end. And this will then result in them sticking to each other like magnets, kind of. And so it's going to be a lot stronger intermolecular force holding them together. Now, a little bit stronger than that is hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds or hydrogen bonding can occur in molecules that have hydrogen and either fluorine, oxygen, or nitrogen attached to the hydrogen. So the fun ones in the periodic table attached to hydrogen will exhibit a stronger intermolecular force. Now, looking at the results of this lab, and you determine which one has more forces, therefore stronger sticky forces, stronger intermolecular forces, meaning they're going to take a longer time to evaporate, and which one would have the weaker intermolecular forces, which would mean they can break apart and become a gas faster. Now, evaporation rates are directly related to the boiling point of different substances. Boiling point is the temperature at which a substance will go from a liquid to a gas phase. So these two are related. Now, the higher the temperature it takes to boil something, the longer it will take to evaporate, meaning it has stronger intermolecular forces sticking them and holding them together. And then also the opposite, the lower the temperature to boil something, the faster something will actually evaporate, meaning they have less sticky forces keeping them together.